Okay, sorry I didn't feel like setting up my camera. I just wanted to do a quick update. I didn't like the sorting thing I had here, so I got rid of it and turned it back to normal. And then I spent the morning creating two new blocks. Well, not really two new blocks, two new updates to the mod. I didn't think y'all wanted to watch me program that. So I created a setting which if you see it there, it says type overflow chest. I added that, and I added the second thing I added was a trash barrel. So anything you put in here gets deleted. Not right when you close it like most trash cans do, but like every second it deletes anything in here. That way you can just see there's some coal that's put in there. And so now I also shortened this. It was really just to test that, but it doesn't really matter. And then here is the system, how it works. I'll explain it real quick. There's a branch coming this way, and then the usual one going that way, and so it's all connected. This is its own branch, so it's not connected to the main branch. And right here, I gotta move this down. I added the chat so I can see y'all talking. So it comes down and it fills all of these chests up, and if it's all full, then it comes over here and fills these up. Well, right now all I got is, so I want 3 chests of backup for the coal and 3 chests of backup for the cobblestone. Now, I didn't want to have to change my whole code just for the overflow, and so I kind of adopted it in. And the best way I did it without too much complication is when your output chest gets completely full. When your output chest gets completely full, let's see if it'll run it. It will sort it to the overflow chest, and so it's not doing it now because it still has some places. So now it's full, and so now if it runs, it will sort it all, and if it's still full after it sorts it, which it's not, there's an empty place there, it will sort it to the overflow chest. And so let's see, let's wait just a second to see if it will get full. I'm making happen along. Let's see. Here we go, we'll do dirt. And so next time it sends, it'll be completely full because all these are full. The iron is full. See, there it goes. There it goes. So see, it sorted it and it sent it all over to these. And they're empty because then this pipe system, which the more complex your pipes, the more stuff you have on them, the slower it will pull from your chest. So that's why this takes a while, is because I have a lot of stuff. But this one, and that's to keep the server from lagging. And this one, though, it doesn't have a lot, and so it ticks a lot faster. So right when it sent it to all these overflow chests, it immediately pulled it out and dumped it into the trash barrel and cleaned it. And then it just repeats. That way we don't have backups. And just to show you, it's overflow chest is the exact same thing as send into chest. Except for it's like I just explained, and I can right click and I have this one set as iron. You can set it, and I was actually debating over putting, and I may do that later, putting another chest here for just that doesn't go to the garbage sorter, just to put stuff that's not sorted into the system. So like if I dropped redstone torches here, instead of it staying there or going to the garbage, it would appear in this chest, and I'd go, oh, that wasn't supposed to be in there. And then I put torches down. That's really all I've done today, and you can see, excuse me, you can see like all my chests are starting. This one was full. That's full. That's full. That's full. That's full. That's full. I didn't. I got rid of the ore because I really don't need backup of the ore. I'm not going to use that for anything. I may make backup chests of these later. But I'm not going to do that right now. I'll wait for something later. I think the biggest thing I need to do, we have to get back to the tree. The lumberjack block I made, I kind of reset, and so now I'm back up to the point where I'm going to need the lumberjack again. The problem I had with the lumberjack is, just to recap, it works beautiful, but there's nothing to auto plant a sapling, and so it's going to have to auto plant saplings. But I don't want to have to fool with a GUI and an inventory. I just want it like a block breaker where you place it and it works. And so what I think I'm going to do is, it will auto, whatever tree it breaks, it will auto collect that sapling and hold, I think the number I picked was 10. I may change it to something more Minecrafty number, like 8. Yeah, so like, see, that's 8. So I may change it to like 8 instead of 10. And it'll just hold 8 of that one sapling. If you change the tree, it may just, and then once it collects 8, it'll just drop the other saplings. But if you want to change the sapling, you'll just have to plant a different tree there, and then it will just delete the saplings it has and start collecting the other saplings. I think that's the way I've decided to do it. And the other things I need to do, I want to rearrange this menu a little bit. I want to get rid of the island regen thing. I think that's just a mistake for somebody building a big island to accidentally click. I think I do want to put the shop. I may change that to island shop. And I may add, is the missions not on here? I thought the missions were on here. Yeah, there they are. Here's the missions. I don't know if I went over it. I added these to the missions. Just the top ones. So, as you can see, I'm sorry, my mind drew a blank. If you get 10 from this one, you'll have 10 on all of them. You get 20 on this one, you'll have 20 on these two, and so on. Same with the hunter and stuff like that. I try to get the mission so I can expand my border. I think that is about all. I think I'm going to put my redstone. I won't need that right now. I've been answering questions. I've got a lot more of the nether stores, as you can see. That's gonna annoy me. I'll just put it over here. Let it sort it. go ahead. Let's do the simplest thing first right now. And I will go ahead and update the menu for stuff. It is the shop. I can't remember where that's at. Inventory? It may be inventories. Okay. Let's see if it's shop. No, not shop. Region. Okay. So we're going to change this to Island Shop. Change this to like a chess. Island Shop. Shop. Okay, that should fix that. That's not what I wanted. There it is, Island Shop. There we go. Awesome. Also need to do a sugarcane, because last time, if I remember correct, the sugarcane didn't work. How much money do I have? 2 million. Also, I'm gonna put, I may take it out of the shop, but I think I'm going to put in currency exchange. I may put up here. So you can buy gold and nether stars, but they're going to be really expensive. And the reason why is because of, I've really only played this for really like a day or two. And I have 2 million. And I put golden nether star up there, and I may increase some of the prices too, just to pull some money out of it. Okay, did that update? No. So how does growing sugarcane? I may change it from sugarcane. I know that I think the carrots work, right? Do I have carrots? No. And they're in, oh, that's like, you have to grow carrots, but there isn't any carrots. Oh, there they are. Alright, there's 5 carrots, so let's, first we'll see if we can pull that, update it, or do it. Okay, so it actually has to grow. We have a lot of them. I have debated over lowering the amount that the trivia gets you. Okay, that's working. But I don't know if I want to do that. Okay. Now I just need to figure out what to replace. I think I'm going to probably do potatoes. I wonder if bamboo would work. Or I wonder if I should just get rid of it. I might do it to potatoes. The thing about potatoes is I'll have to add it to the shop, which I guess that's okay. Okay, so let's close all this. Shop. Okay, so first I need to find a place to add it. Let's balance it out and put it right before the dark oak sapling. Move this out of the way. Where's the dark oak? Here it is, dark oak sapling. Slot 29. How much is the carrot? $125. 125. No. I'll just leave it like that for now. And then potato. Okay, let's see if that works. No, it still says sugar cane. Okay, now let's grow the potatoes. It's not completing those either. What's wrong? Potato grow. Carrots. Is there... Hold on. Is there like a special thing for potatoes? I don't need to do that. What am I looking at? Only block potatoes. So it's, hold on. Potato. Yes. Oops. Yes. May have to plan them. Okay. Oh, you have to actually grow them? Has nothing to do with harvesting them? So what if somebody just stood here and you actually had to bone mill them? Okay, let's go to Island Rewards. I need to add rewards to the thing. Okay, our island level is 6. Now I should be able to do island upgrades, size 2. You purchased upgrade, there we go. Level 10 for the next one. Alright. Alright, okay, here we go, there we go. And look, we can finally fix our water. Where's my stone? Okay. Yeah, still got a ton of iron. Let's put some potatoes for tomorrow. Let's do 30. And 30 carrots. And then we'll sell, we will sell the rest. So. And there isn't anything for boys and potato, and so we'll put this in the garbage can. And we have a ton of that. At some point I need to open up all these lucky blocks. We need to put this back as seeds so we can now this is not centered. It's gonna have to be that way. I want to do the corners out. Let's see. I thought I had more seed in here. I guess I didn't. Okay. At some point I need to do the sorting hopper, and I'll show you how that works. And it has some bugs we'll have to get out too. But I think the next priority is the, where are my saplings? They're not here. I'll have to buy some shop. Shop. There we go. And we'll do it right over here. Yes. Also, I changed this. Instead of it being backwards, it's now the right way. I did not spell lumberjack right, did I? Or, let's see. May just be jack. Yeah, breaker, trash, pipe, sorter, hopper. Breaker, trash. Breaker, there's two breakers. Oh, I must have accidentally deleted it. I'm still thinking about it. here. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, material's not rewards. Material is gold block. There it is, island rewards. There we go. Awesome. Now I got distracted. What was I doing? Oh yeah, updating it. There we go. And restart. Now while we are here, let's do pack. Okay. So here's the island sorter. It works in a chunk like the chunk hopper. I don't think we need a telepad right now. So we do want a skeleton. I don't know if we want that right now though. Cool. Okay, it's back up. Now, give freedom. Yeah, there it is. And see, works perfectly. You just have to replant the sapling yourself. Is this in a chunk? Okay, this is in a chunk, so we can do a chunk hopper. Well, let's turn it around the other way. Let's do it right here. Okay, there. And that way we can do a chunk hopper, and it'll pick up all the stuff it drops. And we need to add the sapling so I can collect the saplings. You could technically cheat and it just it's like you're always going to get a sapling drop, and so you could technically cheat and it just automatically places the sapling back, but I think I don't want to do that. I think I want it to do it honestly. I mean, it's not that much work. So lumberjack. This we need to delete that. Block breaker. I think we need to delete that one too. Yep. Okay. Okay, so he's powered. Okay. Public. Boolean has sapling dot, we'll do map for now, dot count. Let's do add. This is a void. And this is material, and would it just add one at a time, or would it add multiple at a time? Let's do it both, just in case. There we go. Count is count. Now we need to do if the lumberjack that contains sapling. Oh, this needs to be changed. Okay, so if not contains dot equals name. Then we're going to do the amount equals okay, so here it is. It gets the key from the location. It does the mount, the initial amount that is stored as 0. If it has material already saved, it checks it. And if it's the same sapling, so if it's oak sapling, and this is oak sapling, then it gets what's stored, and then it comes in here and adds what's stored plus the count. And that would keep the sapling the same. Now, if it's not, if like what's stored is an oak sapling and you're putting in a dark oak sapling, then it's going to keep the amount at 0, and then it's going to change it to the new material, which is dark oak, and then 0 plus 1 will reset it to that count. And so now adding a sapling, no matter what type, will automatically keep it up, and I don't have to do another type. Now that I've done that, I need to do I need to get, no, let's do void do remove sapling, and now this should always be 1, so this is going to be something similar, but we're going to do, oops, 1, this is going to be -1. So actually, we don't have to have this. Okay, so now if amount is greater than 0. Okay. So now it checks it. If it has it, if it's the same, then it's going to minus it. If it's not, it's not. So we'll do a boolean return true, meaning it did minuses out, and return false, meaning it doesn't. And so that should be all we need. So we go to the lumberjack. I'm fixing to have to stop streaming. So we may just leave it here and pick back up hopefully sometime today. But yeah, so I'm gonna stop it now. Thank y'all for watching. I am just gonna go AFK, but I'm gonna stop the stream here.